Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I'm really excited about this new addition to my camping gear. This is the Grip LED headband light. For years, I've used the headlamps that run on AAA batteries, but this LED headband is a huge upgrade. My favorite thing about it is how lightweight and comfortable it is. Whether I'm jogging or biking at night, it stays in place without bouncing around like my old headlamps did. The main light is super bright and offers a wide beam. It lights up my surroundings so well. Just so you have an idea, this is how bright my headband is, and this is how bright my old headlamp is. As you can see here, the difference compared to my old headlamp is like night and day, pun intended. Charging is simple too. It uses a USB-C cable, so it charges quickly, and when I'm out camping, I can easily recharge it with a portable power bank. So if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor gear, this is definitely a must-have. And that is my point of view.